Hello everyone, today in this video I want to tell you about fillet command in AutoCAD. Fillet rounds the corner between two lines. It creates an arc at intersections. If you set radius to 0, it sharpens the corner. Now draw an L shape using two perpendicular lines. So line command shortcut L, type L, press enter, click here to here and press enter, and again press enter, click here to here, press enter. Fillet command for shortcut, type F, press enter, radius for shortcut, type R, press enter, value, fillet radius value 0, type 0, press enter, and first object, fillet select first object this line, second object this line, press enter, okay. Fillet with radius 0 is very useful. It makes two lines meet perfectly at a sharp corner. Okay. If we use fillet with radius value 5, we have round or full corners. So fillet command shortcut, type F, press enter, radius for shortcut, type R, press enter, radius value for type full, press enter, press enter again. Okay, now we are going to draw a rectangle. Rectangle command shortcut for type REC, press enter, click here to here. Okay, we have radius value 4 here, so here is also, here is also. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.